So, hello everybody. Today is one experiment of the sugar. I know, later we need to guess it with our five senses. I have done five senses video. So, let's see. So, the first five senses, see? Eyes, ears, nose, taste and touch. So let's start the experiment. So first is eyes. I can see solid really tiny particles. I cannot see it. But sugar is little bit invisible and half visible.
Okay.
So
what do you observe the color?
Well, they both are white.
Oh yes.
So I can hear it. Let's see if it makes any sound. Nothing. No sound. Nose. I smell sugar a little bit, but I smell solid nothing. Now let's go to touch. This feels rough. Yes, that is just like one of my five senses. I feel touch. It feels salty.
Salty or it feels rough?
It feels softy.
Smooth.
It feels smooth.
Salty is taste, not feel.
It feels
How does
smooth.
it feel?
It feels smooth.
Okay.
Now the last but not least is taste. It tastes salty. This tastes salty.
Okay. How does it taste?
Sweet.
Okay.
So, we have found that eyes, ears and nose don't work. A little bit of nose works. But taste and touch work so much. There are more experiments which are eyes, ears and nose. So eyes is for if I see something, some little like a crying, I will go to her. This is the first experiment that we use with an ears. When I hear the phone and my parents talking, I smell Mama cooking some food and something had burned from Mama. The curry had burned.
Okay.
So
you can find that through your smell?
Yes,
through
I
your
can
nose?
find it through nose.
So what else you can find with the touch?
That is feeling raw. And this is feeling soft.
Smooth.
Smooth.
Soft is your soft toys.
Smooth and my toy feels soft. Some toys are hard.
How does this mat feel?
Rough.
And table? Hard.
Smooth. Hard.
Smooth and
hard and smooth.
yes. And does it feel bumpy also?
Yes, it's bumpy. Bumpy
and rough.
And rough. No, bumpy and hard.
Okay.
So, not only this is how we can find not only salt and sugar, we can find that. We can find other things also. Not only salt and sugar, right? We can find other So, bye-bye.